Hey everyone! So in today's video we're gonna try to make some bubble tea because since Corona started and the lockdown and I had to move back home, I really don't have access to it anymore because I live far from everything. I've been craving it a lot because I love bubble tea. Bubble tea is the best. I want to try to make it at home. I don't know how to do it. I just saw some recipes and also some videos, so I'm gonna remake them. I'm super excited because I've been craving it. We're gonna try it today out. So let's go into the kitchen, let's make some bubble tea, and then we're coming back here. The bubble tea doesn't look as in the pictures. The thing that I just noticed is that with the syrup, I didn't really make it cook that long. I mean, I think I had it for like 8 minutes, but I think it had to be longer. So it really didn't stay. It stays all in the bottom. What I would suggest you is after you do the milk tea, you have to feel the taste because this syrup, the brown sugar syrup, is super sweet. Make sure to add more milk just to see if it's not too sweet. But let me see if it's good. It's pretty sweet. I'm gonna add some milk. Oh my god. It's kind of close to the one that I always get because I love the brown sugar bubble tea. It's one of my favorite and I'm kind of happy that I can make it home. And you really don't need that much. It doesn't taste the same as when you buy it. Especially in times of Corona, it's totally alright to do it at home and have this taste. I mean, I love the tapioca. I always put triple tapioca when I normally buy it. But at least now I know how to make some bubble tea. And I'm super happy because I love bubble tea. Like the last time I had bubble tea, I think it was in October. So this one here is good to just calm my bubble tea addiction. This is it for today's video. Leave a comment down below and like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch. And thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Thanks for watching!